All right, this is going to be an official unboxing of a new Gaahleri airbrush set that I've got. My birthday comes once a year, but twice a year. My disability checks, I get 3 checks in a month instead of 2. Well, this happens to be the month that I got my 3, so I am buying myself a new birthday present to me. And here they are. This is the new Gaahleri airbrush set that they put out. And I'm going to show you how gorgeous this set actually is. And the figures. Took my knife in the other room. Oh, there we go, that works. See this beautiful box set that they put this in. There's all kinds of neat things and goodies in here to go along with the airbrush sets. But that's the box that came in. And we'll start here with the unveiling. Yes, you get to see foam. And there they are. Are these not just gorgeous airbrushes? I mean, it's just, if they spray half as good as they did on the YouTubes, these things are going to be amazing. Oh, I already like the feel of that. Wow, I wasn't sure about it, but that flat part just sits perfect right there. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I like the shape of that trigger as well. It's not the square one that grinds into your finger on the side, and it's not the round one that slips out from underneath it all the time. It's got that nice curve where your finger just lays over the edge of it. Very super smooth action compared to my other ones, even after all the work I did on them. But this is the one they call Shadowfax. And this one, I believe, is the 0.2 millimeter one. Got like a leatherette cap for it. Plastic caps. And the air caps on here, supposedly, just pop off. If I can get a hold of them. Now the whole air cap is there. The air cap is coming off. Got no fingernails. I can't grip the. There it goes. That just pops off. I suppose that'll work in eventually. But those supposedly just pop. No. Must have been one of the other Gaahleris that the cap or the nozzle protector there just pops on the back. But anyway, these things are absolutely stunning. You got an adjuster in here for your trigger tension that you can reach without having to take the back end off it. You've got your adjuster in the back here for how far you want your trigger throw to be. So you can lock that into as fine a spray as you want. So there's the one they call Shadowfax. I really like that leather there, because if you're not keeping it in a box and like you're out somewhere not next to your actual bench, you have a lot more protection to it. That is an awesome idea there. And then this is the Fireblood, and I believe this one is 0.5. I'm not sure. I gotta get my blind guy glasses on. Same thing. It's got the leatherette cap for it. Same adjustments. They've already got the quick connects on them, which is nice. So there we go. Man, I am already liking that the feel of that flat side right there versus a round side. It doesn't feel like it's going to roll over in your hand, and you got to fight that. And then with this being angled slightly back instead of straight down, that makes it even more natural to your hand, the feel of your hand. So I'm really loving that. And now we get on to the goodies that come with it. Slide that up, pull the drawer out. Again, the foam. Got these specialty coins for the release of them, which I thought was a really neat thing. Got one for each brush. But one of the nicest things I liked about this is the toolkit that comes with it. You've got the handle naturally, but you've got 2 different size packing needle tools. You've got the air nozzle tools, and it comes with an actual wrench for an 8mm wrench for the nozzle release. So not those little cheapy things there. And then you've got your manuals, your quick start guide. Got a leather, it feels like leather, pouch, your base for it to rest them on or whatever you want to do. Oh, and there's even some extra seals, some packy seals and some O-rings for around the air valve or the air nozzle. So all in all, this I think is going to be an awesome investment. I mean, they look phenomenal, and just that quick, they feel like super smooth without doing any work on them yet, and they look absolutely stunning. So I am super excited to start work on that. Now, don't be like me when you order these. If you decide to order them, I kind of spazzed out when I completed the order. It said my details were sent, my payment details, my address and all that were sent to a thing called Shop. Evidently that's just their distribution method. So I had a big panic with them, and I immediately wrote customer service, and this was like, probably 2 in the morning here, my time. And by the time I woke up again around 8 the next morning, they had already responded, and we went back and forth about it, and they weren't understanding what I was asking. So I sent screenshots of my receipt and what it had said about auto signing me up for that Shop thing, and they explained that yeah, that's just their own distribution. So I wouldn't freak out about that too much when you order. There's also, I'd have to look it up, I'll put it in the description. One of the other YouTubers I saw when I first saw the review of this has a discount code, and I will post his discount code down in the bottom, and that dropped the price down for me $29. So overall, for a $2.99 price, I paid $270 total, with taxes and everything, all that setup, and came a lot quicker than I thought they did. I didn't even get they were shipped noticed, but If there anything with their customer service, if there's a problem with these, as they were with the quick questions I had when I bought it, I think that's going to be a good relationship with these guys. They are definitely a company to keep an eye on if you're interested in airbrushing at all. I think they're going to take care of you if you need it. So that is my unboxing, and I am sure you will see actual testing and use of this very shortly.